ahodoɔ aba biara no ɛmfa nkyɛn kankan ɛwɔ sɛ dwuma de atwentwɛn ne n'aseɛ aba bɛtu saa mpɛmpɛnsuo ɛnɛ nso wɔnyɛ bɛpa atwɛn yɛn na yɛaba yi deɛ na yɛaba ɛna asɛm a ɛda dwa so ɛba bɛdi ɛho nkɔmmɔ no ɛdin ɛda so no yɛsɛ of reparation of slave trade ɛno ho nkɔmmɔ ana yɛba bɛdi ɛnɛ awia yi firi ɛyɛ 15th century sinim amfasom ɛhyɛ aseɛ na man hom no so a bibire mu no yɛnim sɛ ade hyɛ dodoɔ no ne kɔdi nkɔso mu a ebi wɔ amama ahodoɔ so kɔ America Caribbean ne ne ɛkeka ho a ade hyɛ dodoɔ no a ɛne no mpanimfoɔ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a saa nkɔso no yɛde ɛkɔ mu no ɛsɛ ka fɔsikɔ kɔhwɛ na ɛka no ho nkɔmmɔ yɛba bɛti ɔfa popular executive director ɛde ma free the mind movement owura Israel Nkrumah wɔno so yɛ coordinating director ɛde ma free the mind movement ɔma transe na mosomfo gyaw ɔdam kodua amedi dwumadi ho kyia me nso ana mene mo atranse na Wake Up Africa na sɛ free the mind movement no branches ahodoɔ na afei mpanimfoɔ ayɛ adɔm ne ɔmanfoɔ te ɔmate yɛn nsɛm ɛka ase no nti yɛntuma biebie na brano yɛde mmeammea ahodoɔ wɔ ne nkuro anaasɛ ɔmo nam mɛs ahodoɔ no nyinaa no bɛtutu bia sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ ahwɛ baabi a ɛbɛn wɔ a na wo nso watumi akɔ akɔdwan ne bi wɔ berɛ a wɔbɛfrɛ saa nam mɛs ahodoɔ a yɛde bɛto edwa no na ɛnam sɛdeɛ nneɛma asanka awiam kakra nti no hwɛ namba wɔatwa ma me no ɛne WhatsApp number wobɛtumi ɛde o messages ahodoɔ ɛfa nkɔbɛ ba bɛdi no ho nyinaa no ɛde afa so ɛde aba namba no ɛyɛ 020 77 82482 0207 782482 mesi so de twa to biem 0207 782482 ɛno ɛne numbers a wobɛtumi ɛde WhatsApp messages nyinaa no anaasɛ normal SMS no afa so ɛde aba ɛbrɛ bɛso na community no bɛyɛ dunum na yɛasɔre nkonya so a ahoma a ɛno nso wobɛtumi afrɛ so na ɔba dwumadie no so no yɛdeɛ no so bɛto dwa ɛde ama mo mɛka wɔ sɛ ahoma ahodoɔ wɔ ha yɛwɔ books ɛne bibles ahodoɔ a ɛno nso so wobɛtumi ɛnyɛ bi atɔ na ɛbrɛ no yɛbɛdi ne nyinaa ho nkɔmmɔ kakrakra saa ɛde ama mo ɔfa poku dankɔ anama wo akɔ aba
yɛnua yɛ ana mo ho wakyɛ
bɛhyɛ hɔ sɛ adwuma yi a de wokɔ sɛ mpaka ne de wokɔ aprɔbɔ na agya akɔkɔra akɔra me so no te akyiri na mehwɛ akyiri
kakra
adwuma na wode kɔ akyima wode kɔ sɛmpa kyerɛ
wɔfee
akɔ aba manfoɔ sɛ wodin deɛ mɛmefrɛ no anka bɔmp maa no koraa no a ɔmɔ nkyerɛ aseɛ sɛ biribiaa yɛ bɔkɔɔ deɛ yɛrɔbɔ ade ase quick bɛhyɛ aseɛ fa mfiri ɔfa poko dankɔ a ɔfa yɛhwɛ off reparation of slave trade ɛno ne asɛm a ɛda dwa so ɛm sɛ mapɔ ne biribi ho kakra deɛ nanso wobɛbusa sɛ saa aborɔfo akɛseɛ mmiɛnsa yi ɛfiri nifa ne nnɛ yɛbɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ yi
yo yɛ a wɔmeda ase bebree yɛdi ka yɛbɛkyia ahwɛfoɔ nyinaa ɛnna yɛhwɛ of reparations and slave trade yɛa yɛkɔɔ sukuu no nyinaa na sɛ slave trade story no anaasɛ history no ɛwɔ kwan bi a wɔn fa so wɔn de maa yɛ wɔn yɛ ma yɛka wɔn a wɔn gye to wɔn ho so wɔn yɛ historians wɔn gye ato wɔn ho so wɔn yɛ African intellectuals wɔn gye ato wɔn ho sɛ wɔn na nim slave trade mu yie wɔn ma yɛ nya impression bi sɛ Africa fo ne yɛ tie bɛɛ bi ɛna yɛn mind yɛ own business yɛn ka ebi nhyɛ mu. Yɛn nkɔte a akɔsi buroni abɛto ayɛ wɔ ha ɛna obewi ayɛ na ɔde ɛkɔ nkɔso mu yakɔ akɔsom a mfie bɛɛ 400 ɛni yɛnya ahwee wɔ hɔ nti no sɛ yɛhwɛ deɛ yɛyɛ no a ne twa ani hwɛ akyi a ɛkyɛ sɛ akɔsi buroni abɛbɔ ɛkorɔ no nti ɔde ɛka bi a ɛsɛ otwa ama yɛn ɛno na akɔyɛ reparation sɛ wafa cheap labour yaba abɛso mu a kyikyiri mu kuro ayɛ biribiara nanso so mu antwa yɛ ka yɛntena hɔ afei deɛ yɛni ate ɔmfama yɛ wei ne story a
yɛgye sika
wei ne story a abibifoɔ huri gyina hɔ a ɔmo ka kyerɛ na ayɛ biara no ne asɛm no a ɛsɛ yɛka no ana ɛfiri sɛ wohwɛ nneɛma a yɛatwerɛtwerɛ anim akyerɛ yɛ first slave trade ho yi yɛma yɛasɛm no they play on emotions. It's a baby, and we are in the figure. 30 million Africans were uprooted from the continent. It do baby as 100 million. It do baby, we are saying because we have to do the emotions. It's shame near who saying the city. And so asem na kasa be da ho no no. Slave trade na we ni nyina so bi. Bibi na kokra bibi. E na ye. Na nam se edikanfo no nim nti no. Eno alo mo hihye ma yen a, e ma ye bi echi. Enema miense na me ba be bie.
Right.
National Geographic, where September 1992.
Okay.
Almost African slave trade, the cruelest commerce. Ya nyama ya tie ba bi ne de be ko na chains bi ni ya kan ni ya. Ye bi e na fe be kin kan bi ti say, oh, enipa ngo ai ko e fa so ye obi o kura ye de fi ase amo. Fine. Yeah, the ababeji enipa. Obi o wa re de ntoma. Yeah, the ababeji
sardine.
Sa enyama ahudu bi ensa.
Yes.
Yeah, the ababeji nipa. Yeah. Aka we ni na dia chere. Eno da nche na ba ha mu a. Book we eno obi o call Ghana Institute of Journalism. A part of our trail. Walter Rodney book we.
Okay.
How Europe underdeveloped Africa.
Okay.
And there one big topic. It's journalists a coach cover na. Now no, I'm not sure book we not sure say how Europe underdeveloped Africa. Also can slave trade. On the see a baby eye.
Okay.
Abroad from baby eye and they could provide cheap labor.
Okay.
Emma. New Africa. And also so we are 2005 October edition. How Africa developed Europe and US.
Okay.
No, okotu bibi. Me pese o kan eni de hia me fa. O kan we be set to no
Right.
Baby mama.
Also on 15th August this year, British TV's Channel 4 broadcast a documentary titled The Empire Pays Back, put together by Robert Beckford. The film estimated Britain's debt to Africans, that's both on the continent and in the diaspora, to be in the trillions of pounds. But it is only Britain that owes a debt to Africa and Africans. That's the question. Every Western European nation, including the USA, which engaged in and benefited from slavery and the subsequent scramble for the territories and resources of Africa, owed the continent and its people zillions of pounds. Million, billion, trillion, zillion. Okay. A debt so huge that it frightens the wits out of even the bravest of Western politicians. Okay.
Oh, nyama asate eka. Ejina kese, ekwa be sukra na quantify ya, ye di hunu se ye kan edru se.
Okay.
Article ya esa kan bibi ekotu water Rodney book.
Yes.
As on beso kan.
Okay.
Original text ni there and what he.
Okay.
But beso kan free
We buy in no.
Ah.
Also, there is a unanimity among historians that it was European capitalism that set the Atlantic slave trade in motion. And though some African chiefs and notables took active part in it, the primary responsibility should rest squarely on the shoulders of the European who gave impetus to the so-called trade. Walter Rodney cites the example of John Hawkins, who made freight trips to West Africa in the 1560s and stole Africans whom he sold to the Spanish in America. On returning to England after his first trip, Grudden writes, his profit was so handsome that Queen Elizabeth, I became interested in directly participating in his next venture, and she provided for that purpose a ship named Jesus.
Ship reading a friend Jesus.
Okay. I please to for
Jesus of Lubeck.
Hawkins left with the Jesus to steal some more Africans, and he returned to England with such dividends that Queen Elizabeth made him a knight. Hawkins chose as his coat of arms the representation of an African in chains.
Say,
Wow.
Hawkins by Obefa, slaves no call at yours, Abefa, Queen Elizabeth the first.
Yes.
They never did business. Emma Dream or Bonabasso.
Yes.
And no man here nights. And the business I want to say, we are night to a referral say, say John Hawkins.
Yes.
Now, what should be any day? Also, me be near a day in Conson,
a bank about
good in Sunday. It is a go by. There are kind of page 83 of Walter Rodney in the book. Now, when the kind of mass our presentation, and a sika, and a faswa, and a sika, and a faswa, and the go by and say, Emra Abraham Lincoln can say, after a free slave abolition of the slave trade. In one African Americans will be a yard, you say, and yet, and so British.
Because Modia Yeduma,
until the emperor, Modicasi Bumra Mitria. The Sahara idea of Modi Kano in the 1850s, after about 1980s, about 1990s, and after a bit page anymore, African world, Sebrunia. And now, Senia, you see, present slave trade. And the man is already near to your baby, there can't be shame. And a bruni by and will be a dear core, not from status or almost toy the iron qua, a toy the iron qua. I can't say Muya. Now we name the fire by, and it may be free, and it may be a qua. Now, Cocambia. Now it is opposite, which I say, okay, I would say in any day. And the free one, and a reparation every year issue. Oh, Africa. Okay. After about the fair, and Yama Caribbean, ya catalog with your good honor. And the debate in a reparation by Abrofo de Eka, or Mumetia Eka, slave trade, and colonialism. Other than Yena, over the Titam Yena, and all my years are, it almost can be as well. 1989, and legislators be on war, New Orleans, America, or Mudisi or Mubuse, or Montiasi, say before. Abrofo abefai fofofo okay e dia ko ye enum a emfata
no me blacks ana
blacks
okay
black legislators
okay
our America enjino so omunya sika bi omutwa de ba we gani spectator 27th May 1989 okay we kan haka prayer
a teacher say African Americans to demand payment for slavery. Yeah, kind of free catafeto so emiesa. Or see today we are referring to that time of paper. The reparations issue has re-emerged as a subject of debate among black politicians and activists. At a recent convention of black legislations in New Orleans, members passed a resolution demanding reparations for those of us who worked for hundreds of years unpaid. But even supporters are uncertain about how reparations would work. I quote, "You could say that everybody who is descendant of African Americans would be eligible," unquote, says John Matlock, an aide to U.S. Representative John Conyers, Democrat of Michigan, who will soon introduce a bill in the House calling for a commission to study the reparations question. Conyers and others believe that monetary awards to individuals would be unfeasible. He is likely to favor an educational benefit package. In his home state, the Detroit City Council recently passed a resolution asking the federal government for a $40 billion educational trust fund for the descendants of slaves.
Yeah, black legislators no buy no almost when you PCH.
Yes.
When in 1992, oh were you?
Yes.
Also
Organization of
African Unity.
Okay.
Sabena African Union in
okay.
The friend organization of African Unity. 1992. Omo ko here meeting in Dakar. Now all omo can say omo identify 12 eminent Africans are. Sabi, ye woman, woman never been transit. Now, a cabia abrofudi in terms of free slave trade,
yes.
Free labor, no near Yamuyan, or maybe no more check. And also Dakar, way back Ghanaian times, 30th June. Sorry, I can't,
Yeah, Jessica.
Any.
Okay. We saw a Ghanaian Times, 30th June 1992. Headline or say Africa demands reparations for slavery. Kratafa etoso dikan the toso Union and America. Or say black US politician Jesse Jackson launched an emotional plea for the West to compensate Africa for the savage crime of slavery as the Organization of African Unity Summit opened in Dakar today. This today referring to the 30th June 1992. Ossie Jackson backed the OAU's call for reparations for what he called the most savage crime against humanity in the history of the world. I quote, Europe and America, which built their wealth on African slave labor, bear a moral responsibility for the rape and robbery of Africa, unquote. Reverend Jackson said during a symbolic pilgrimage to, where is it, Greece or no, Goji Island.
Gori Island.
Okay, Gori Island. A slave trading post off the West African coast where Africans were held captive before being packaged into a slave ships bound for America or the West Indies. The OAU has set up a group of prominent Africans and blacks living in the West to prepare its case for financing compensation from Europe and America.
Eba na desa efini. Mudi eka o. Abrofo mu nyina yie na mudi eka. Na we na. Sa 12 eminent persons here we eka wosiri. Na Chief Abiola, Nigeria.
Yes.
Olukwa na na chairman of the committee. Na Kenyan historian bi na friend Ali Mazuri. Odon so no ka ho. Na Professor Ajayi of Nigeria ni omnya no be prominent people they identify one so we dey na when o ko shia wo OAU conference e wa Abuja e hodo mo de enema gu akwabu ma o mo ti se o mo kan ma wiasefo nyina ti se wa odon sa ko kan slave trade ni bi no ene o sika bi abitua ma Africa.
Okay.
In terms of reparation, the 12 prominent, eminent citizens in one, you or more, never no more to a game conference, you never saw in the Panasini, and more, say, you have sponsor, yet me lay out. And dear man, the person who knew. And the thing in the theatre, they say, almost the name of Guaquem, every man yet, say, say, no. Our fool was a cabinet of Mutuamai. And you know, the say law committee be ready. One million person say demand na ye pe no e ka international law kukra na say dey na say ka ho dia e dey let say e kwan no a nam so no e no a na ye nam so enti na grofo no nzu nyina yi ye ba be gugu de so o mutua eni ne se o mutua na say bibi ani a African so itimi eyi and so when a woman and a friend say blacks people of African descent almost go share your friend say almost go share say almost so baba yeah and person and no 700 delegates woman baby share that was the 7th meeting of Pan-African Congress almost as and before any African intellectuals and historians in won't come. Almost Baba came to Mabano, almost Eddie Monday. We talk about graphic 6 April 1994. They don't so kind a hacker clay,
Right. African demands reparation from the West. And no, Wednesday, April 6, 1994. Daily Graphic, money can free. Also, delegates representing Africa and blacks around the world held a conference last Monday to demand reparations from the West for the robbery of slavery and colonial rule. Okay, what is in Baha? Some 700 delegates are attending the 6-day conference. The 7th for the PAC, that is PAC, including top officials and academics from Africa, the Caribbean and Western countries near the Hodoso SC. Okay, right. Okay, Hodo Transababeka. Also, Libyan leader Muammar al-Gaddafi in a speech read out by Deputy Foreign Minister Musa Abdusam said his formerly Italian-ruled country waited impatiently to take part in the struggle to regain what was robbed through colonialism. Quote, I quote, "We must not rest until what was ours by right has been given to us," al-Gaddafi's speech said, unquote. Okay, may the honor see. Right. Inti se ebono tofa yes and I'm see for as a delegate no mu nyina ya hanson inti no mu kwesha nhyiamu no na makomako ensia na enum na akane Libya mampani Ura Gaddafi na asembia ni foreign minister ebe kan ye no e won kase mu no kase ye Italy aban na edi wo mo so na se do mo konkwaso mu no nam so mantimi antwa wo abotire mu no na mo fa de a ye o mo dia na mo wo twetwede se kwa bia zo mo sabe tuni aka de mu wie from one de e kwa bia zo so mo tiri mo nsa etumi ka o ma de right.
The nochi ela 1999 ubeka conference ke siebi eba so on kran ha.
Okay.
Africa and Africa American Summit.
Yes.
Na openya na oda no a ona no ye convener near friend Reverend Dio Sullivan.
Okay.
Onini Peter ni. Onini Bonifita African American.
Okay.
Onu no initiate sa conference in ode about 1999 enkran ya ye de wo souvenir publication graphic heads of state Africa omunyina ba je run in time.
Yes.
Omunyina be busu won kran ha. So person dey check. On be busu.
Enie.
E won kran ha no mu a. The tension ni tetia ni say Leon Sullivan a start e di ensem bi tutu ga say or pray their friend say dual citizenship. Ama African Americans.
Okay.
Send you between am o ma ba ebibire mu hanum. Na kese ogun so abeboa with the development.
Okay.
Na conference na se e no no be kan say dia abrofo agie free ye ho bia no e say Africa nya no back. Enti ono so no aso be high reparation no e cost no.
Yes.
For the unpaid labor Africa for the render ya and ya ba be there ya. Enu twa mu na ye nia ye yonku bi ye friend Dr. Molana ono amra 1988 Jerry PNDC nsem no ba ye no a revolution no ba ye no enu mu na enya edan bi e no mo kan say enu de di ba be bia na WEB Du Bois o ba ye de kwa nkomani ma ye tina ye no ye pese convert it into state monument and as a state heritage. Engineer Abayen say a center to promote Pan-Africanism.
Okay.
Ghana Hano. In 1988, and Omu Institute, be a friend said WUB Memorial, WUB Du Bois Memorial Lectures. 88. Eddie Mekaiba Mikobi. Guest speaker, a friend Professor Nascimento.
Okay.
No, Afro-Brazilian.
Okay.
And it say, Ega, Okoto Atoya. And 89, Obi Fufro, and so by Ebe Kasa. Now, when 1990, Omo say, oh, I've been Omo Yano, Dubois Memorial Lectures in Kwa.
Okay.
The Omo Babe Yano, Dubois Padmore in Kroma Memorial Lectures. And Jimmy Kai said, Ura no obey a guest speaker, and near friend or Dr. Tony Martin. Ibisa onukwa no baba be chirechire mu e ma ye hu say Du Bois ni Padmore ni omu nyina no omu ka pan Africanism but no omu nyina nka nko benko
okay
if you say the board there now it say open integration bi and apart from also open segregation they say creating African world for Africans and you know can say ready for Black Star Line bi ebeba be fa Africans in the diaspora and omaba the President Nkrumah ewo ho no T Black Star Line as a shipping you know no I say any there papa no kan no na Nkrumah enso etu eho anamo eni ne mati Tony Martin ne becheche mu ehu the dichotomy and da omu mienu ntem
okay
enu nti no na quickly because here the enimu die ni nyina ma the boy as onu no di kai betina ha nti no nti ono na ari die chia Martin Becker no ene sa pe dem bi won chen ye so onu ye Padmore die na oba Padmore guest house ni the boy center ni ti say ya bridge gap number 2 supporters no antagonistic eyi ane wo mu ntem ni nyina ya yi di nyina Madame Golana also African American oba no Egyptologist
okay
and on the fringes of Du Bois activities no also started say ogrumu young persons be in Pan-Africanism
okay
odi ni manema awe no no so oni ni nko for so omo ye fra omo you can say World Reparations and Repatriation Truth Commission
reparation
so demanding sika 777 trillion US dollars
from where ho wow
and almost demanding na the baby no on make sure say on be sika no
okay
ama aba enti ono so de obekan kakra obekan dia bisia
okay
dia make bia me be say minya
tumra no achesi
okay we
public agenda 25th to 31st October 1999 group defense reparation yeah come free
public
under under head the no pricing okay second paragraph yeah the fee right near the abaha okay or say the document states the African world is demanding 777 trillion US dollars principal with interest per annum at the current market rate plus the unconditional cancellation of Africans' debt. The amount of $777 trillion was settled through careful research of the number of African lives and minerals lost during the transatlantic slave trade, that is AWRTCs. Dr. Ahmed Mwalana told Public Agenda. Okay, Mwalana is aware that it is hard to put a price on human lives and also that $777 trillion is not enough for the African Holocaust, but he said we have to push the figure to them anyway. Medemano asi. Ito nwa ni se sika na on hwehwe de. Enya de betumi asi enipa enkwa ano. Anase nye sika sɛde abrɔfo no yusu yɛ no kasa wo gisika kora mpo na wo betumi enya sika bi betumi asi ano kwa na so no wonim sɛ sika o sɛ kwa bia so omti mo tempenten kwa sɛ bi tafa ke betumi agye abrɔfo no anyi bia na empata sika you know what is
na bia awade a wo kan yɛn fa ne sɛ abrɔfo no agye atu
yes
ebetu sika the check e ba ho na be
ho na me question na wo
no ba pere so ama wo mola na wa betra Ghana hai ye di sika no be hye won sembre ko a wo hwe akuaku a wo ma di kan obi efe sika friboni wo no a wo ti Ghana na ye aba 77 trillion
je
wo jiwie ya wo ma bank na di sika no be
ka koto yes
eti e be asem na mo ka so wo de wo nim de wo ka ye de nim sika no de e be je ni e di anam fi ayo eye mo dia nko ina mo ko e wo mo ana 8 Padmore lectures ibare ebeka say o Professor Ali Mazuri ono ka 12 eminent citizens no ho a omo na eye preparation for this reparation thing ono ba be ma lecture on globalization
okay
aya me share that the program iba because it in baby
yes
any ever friend me say me na me
MC
program
the WEB Du Bois Memorial Center for Pan-African Culture. Okay.
Yes,
obey MC. So that's someone comparable. Yes.
If you papa, on so buy no be can say reparation of Wasupa, name we say a bit me about in the form of capital transfer. And I said in a way be debt cancellation in Yama. Senior or move who say almost to get.
Oh, but we saw Senior Sanya to us, so reparation or no more we cook who doing April. Now I had the right course or some fight for now. Okay.
Somebody have a proper queen. Now we might be baby and be an man. So my money rub baby, and I mean, manage.
Or does you call
official? Oh, no, she couldn't.
Or Columbus in China no blue. Of I am Tosser.
Eddie. Also, Baba can't need the end. Or don't need the end.
Okay.
Let me go.
First paragraph.
Okay.
Yeah, John Papa.
Okay.
Right, you see, I can't free a year Ghanaian Times, 10th August 2001. African countries urged to fight for reparation. Story by Edmond Mengel. Paragraph 1. Professor Ali A. Mazuri, a renowned Pan-Africanist, has said that the fight by African countries for reparation from the West would not be an easy one and that Africans should be prepared to go to any length for it. Professor Mazuri, he said that it is going to take a while to have reparation and we should be prepared to keep up the struggle in the years ahead. On whether Africa should adopt a radical approach in demanding reparation due to the delay, he explained that the process would have to be in stages and that Africans must have different types of responses to all the stages to achieve the necessary results. He said that though he did not believe that the fight for reparation will go as far as that of the abolition of the slave trade, it will need commitment and continued struggle to have total success. Reparation, he said, would be in the forms of skills and capital transfer from the West to Africa and power sharing to enable Africa to play a greater part in taking decisions that concern her. Medemano asi. Ọdún ni sẹ ẹnya kunkuma deɛ nanso ɔhyɛ yɛn kuran sɛ nkɔsoa nkonkoden na keneke ɛda na rebi timaka ebi mu so ɔdanya adeɛ a ɛbɛ mmerɛmmerɛ fofofo bi te sɛ nneɛma na edi gu akwa mu sɛ ebetwa saa nkwasom edwadie no ɛso aha nanso so no ɛyɛ kentere ɛho nyɛ biɛ ni a ɛda ya abra yɛ kuta tu ho akyɛ ne nwenta so that is commitment and determination ne deɛ yɛnsa ebetumi aka edwa tenti yɛmoamoa ɛho nsie na yɛnya ahoboa sɛ yɛnsa ebetumi aka sika no bra tumi aprapre ɛnso so ɛwɔ ɛkwan mu
ebi yaw wenu nyinaa ba ekoi ena mama asu kakra ekyire no in the 90s no so no esa pagya ni mu ema eba ema obi ahu se aba enti na besi ede demand no de ewo ho no mu a ye bisa obehu na obi aba no aba be ka so when am famra 1999 Gizo calls for reparations. I'm a minister for tourism. Yeah, friend of Mr. Mike Gizo. And
yes, Mr. Mike Gizo.
Or also, Babeka with the headlines. No one now, Bekinkai. Say, a near man of debate, you know.
Right. Because I can say messages in and WhatsApp number far number for Sony 0207 782 482 0207 782 482. How anabi to me do WhatsApp message no ina afa ba na yakenkan dia ma we dika mo nya ntia na da say enia no ya experience a serious technical HR enu ntia ma niema asanka wiem kakra into WhatsApp message no ana normal SMS no we be fa 0207 782 482 ni yakenkan dia ma say me bobo headlines le so no we Daily Graphic 8 February 1999 was say Gizo calls for reparation for slave trade. And then about 12 August 2002 Ghanaian Times was say I don't believe in reparation. Obasanjo I don't know can asemi Nigeria president I don't know can asemi ana ba we so a 19th August 2002 graphic on so the blacks demand reparations and also assemble ko a what headlines ahodo na chese ho komodie no ekoso a right
ekoso a beside nanu ya 2018 Prince Charles Eba Ghana
yes
and the deputy chairperson of African Union
okay
Ambassador Kwesi Kotey emionkopa opore mechia we bia wo bia also by ma lecture bia tie de okan ke
edina boy na Ghana man
na Ghana opore
ongo krafo mudi fini was Britain must pay reparation you be kan bibi kakra
okay
we are by Marvin is it Talu also was visiting British Royal Prince Charles of Wales has been told that his country ought to pay Ghana for the damage of transatlantic slave trade caused the West African nation. Deputy Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Ambassador Kwesi Kotey, made the call on Friday in Accra in a presentation at a public lecture. He said Britain must pay, unquote, because I quote, because most of our that is Ghanaians and the development is due to the work that is the British did here, and we should remind them that they have the duty to come and repair the damage. They must come and do the reparation of the damage. He specifically pointed out that unquote, he specifically pointed out that the low levels of development in the industrial, agricultural, and educational sectors of Ghana were due to the slave trade. But my question is, interpret ye fa hu dey say free kwasomo. Get na mo dem aye we di jai na no e dey sika.
Ebo ka colonialism. O nya independence o mabo jitri. Fa na fire dey o dey should be.
Maja kwan nemum ye na nanom adom koye nkutu ma chiri ukuro ni.
No na amanfo say o mo pe.
Another question. Se wo say wa be fe na nanom akwachi chiri ukuro. Enu nti na ye ntumi in develop as na ye under developing country. Nti mpenso abedu nti ya so ntimi nye ho so to the extent say ye be free under developing abe developing ye twama ko developed country ana.
So nti na ya ba ye discuss this topic.
Ti saka sa mpatesika ne dia ye be tumi develop ye ho. Okay.
Enti wakin kan we du nyina bi. Question ye bisa ne say enti wo mo so mo demand reparation na and the solution, and say I will be our question.
Yes.
Is that the solution? Because at then, and idea was here to one him your can is out there to baby, and will be never far, and what Wako in finite, and our mouth, in the end, neutral and go here. Send your way up, Bruchama, Abrutia, Aya Cononoa, also two here anywhere you know, as I say, you trace it every month. I want to continue to see Chicana. In any case, reparation and only assembly.
I don't have a question.
Pan-Africanism. Okay. Say they presenting our Africa. Obi and to four. Not to number. Oh, Africa. Yeah, or Pan-Africanism.
Yes.
Yeah, the baby about tools. Obi a poet. No me. Poetry, you know, oh, Mother Africa, why you cry? Hey, or Pan-Africans.
Okay.
Ẹnu ni aya ma fe Pan-Africanism no ba ye no enema bi omo be keka ase omo entena se emuye
yes
ena omo akeka ene aba be ye fashion man for kan ya 80s 90s early 90s no na apega ni mu pa Pan-Africanism na Dubai Center but after the 9th lecture na fushire the problem the lectures no bi ni ayi bi no right. I'm a Pan-Africanism. I say, and come on, some crowd. Ghana until say now we are Africa Day. 25th a year. Can't say Ghana holidays. You know, yeah, near my busy year free assistance. And the friend say, Honorable Okude to a black one or me who review or social media to say, President Nanado per se. Okum Pan-Africanism near your ompne, on the Omba with the South holiday, ever samba. Now you be a man holiday to Grano. That day to Grani didn't say.
Okay.
Mukasa baby, Pan-Africanism, as we are hungry. Uncle baby, ya kasa tinti a ye kan di nyina ne say slave trade no it was sanctioned by Israel enough aswodin e ba ye so nti emi nwanwa so obi ti say Reverend Neil Sullivan obi ti say Reverend Jesse Jackson mo ye Reverend dia ma biebie Bible no nti ma hunu da
say ye bon wa
trade no
ana ya be share san kwa so
ni
okay
mu nyina ma be dia kire na reparation na mo pe
asi ntwa
no na emu ye wem pa
okay
etiana no ye gira so ama obi a te say yes slave trade na buy emotions wom Africa na suffer edu ba bi ship no kwa ya ko no ye say enipa na do so ye nyi bia ntu amu apunu mu a ship no be sinki na obi a ya ko chi na firi na kura ase ya to na wie na fe ko yina to epu ebi a onu ani krom kwa nsu obi ampo na ho no na o di nipa say ko to epu mu a the fear of water ni kwa beku no anga na abo bi e be kan say o be na bi a o ba bi entino ye pese e ka emu obi a ti ase ni say enam bi so e de ko bae asoden a ye yeti a ogbo ade e no no say say na mo ya kire media me de mo be ma a stupid people a foolish nation wo ma twuma so e do na ko fa e ba
wo kire kronkron nim
e wo mu na ha na me be ma kwaku adosuko
bam
me ya ma pupuru ko emu ne e na Bible no ba be ka
right
that be I can refer to the slave trade e we presentation no by the ye see abobi ehun say the ye Pan-Africanism without spirituality because you can spirituality before that we don't even know who we are.
Yes.
And much more know what we are supposed to be doing. They are called Tronumua. Tronu de Samreno, or what there's all Gadanima, if we are suffering now. One can saw the Ghana for, one can saw Gada Nigeria for, one can saw Gada Jamaicans, and I say, or Gada Santi for, or Gada for, or Gada Nkran for, or Gada Agbi for, or Gada Isu for. Only we be as far as we are concerned, you know, when you said the lost sheep of the house of Israel. Yes, we are pretty, yes, we are for Guasum. In the end, Yahweh of a Homeso, not Kwaku, at the Bible. Now, what me who said, slave trade now, of course, was not brought in Richardson. I was not brought the Roxanne and why? Robert, are you? Cocu Robert. Now, we are Cobabu, who said, there will be a can or the emotions you will have change. Pan-Africanism, no. You can't, we are bravo. Apart is a team. Ubo be an offer this night, Pan-African Ubo, homeless one.